Welcome to Simple Living with Life and Reflection, where we embrace the beauty of simplicity. Room sprays are one of the easiest ways to refresh your home naturally. And when you make them yourself with your favorite scents, they're like cozy in a bottle. In this video, you'll learn what to use for a room spray base, natural potent scent blends, how to print room spray labels, and creative ways to use room sprays. Plus, I'm sharing printable blends and labels to make your creations both beautiful and practical. I'll link them in the description below. Let's get started. The first step to making a room spray that delivers a rich, natural, fragrant experience is using a scale for accurate measurements and choosing an excellent room spray base. No matter if you're making a bottle for your kitchen, bathrooms, or game room, I highly recommend using witch hazel as your room spray base. It delivers an eco-friendly, versatile base that's ideal for crafting room sprays. One of my favorites is Lavender Witch Hazel by Thayer's. Another option is the one I'm using in this video, which is expertly crafted from organic alcohol and wild-crafted witch hazel, creating a premium base that is natural, sustainable, and a solution for just about everything. It's easy on the skin and on your fabrics. Place a mini funnel on top of your spray bottle. I'm using a frosted glass 3.4 ounce spray bottle that I'll link below. Next, add 2.5 ounces of your room spray base. I've created ready-for-you room spray scents inspired by nature. You'll find a scent for every corner of your home. For this room spray, I chose the Warm Welcome blend and add a total of 25 milliliters of essential oils. Pour it in, remove the funnel, and add your bamboo spray nozzle. Aren't these cute with the bamboo tops? Secure and shake it to combine. To top it off, let's add a room spray label. You'll find these printable labels for free in the Simple Living library at Life and Reflection. I'll link it in the description below. I've tested countless label papers to find the best, and these 2x3-inch printable label sheets from Avery are it. Simply follow the guide on the labels, pointing the arrow down into your printer. They have a print-to-edge, smooth, glossy finish that's easy to apply to the frosted glass spray bottle. For the best quality, choose letter size or custom 100% scale. Then select semi-gloss or glossy photo paper if you don't have it in your printer settings. With my Epson Eco printer, they come out beautifully. And there's no wait time to use a label. I like to fold a little handtail to keep the bottles from rolling off the table. Then I simply remove the label from the sheet and apply it. Starting in the middle and working my way out, gently pressing so that I avoid any creases. Then it's ready to use. As you can see, the finish is beautiful. Our well-crafted room spray can change everything. Just 1 to 2 sprays is sufficient to refresh any room. Use it to start a calming bedtime ritual, spritzing pillows or sheets, or freshen up closets or pantries. Give a fox plant or fabric decor a gentle refresh. Perk up your car with a quick mist on cloth seats or mats. Refresh comforters or curtains between washes. And the list goes on. Once you start using your own handcrafted room spray, you'll be reaching for it over and over again. Because with just a few minutes, you can lift the mood, reset a room, and breathe easy. easier. Thanks so much for creating with me today. You'll find everything you need, including a bonus waiting for you in the description below. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me again for more simple living inspiration.